you watch my shorts, you'd have already seen that I made this. So we're going to try and make this similar thing, but in a bigger size. So if you're a store holder or you're trying to start your own market and you need somewhere to put your earrings, this video is definitely for you because it will give you tips and tricks on how to make your own board. You can actually personalize your board. Next time, if I do get a chance, I'll personalize my board. Hello and thank you for joining me for another DIY with me, Tanaka Lily. Now you all know I started making polymer clay earrings and I'll be taking my earrings to a market soon. And I was trying to find this thing. I couldn't find it and I don't really have time to buy it and wait for it to be posted. So I've decided to just DIY my own. If you watch my shorts, you'd have already seen that I made this. So we're going to try and make this similar thing, but in a bigger size because I can't be carrying 3 or 4 of these to the market. So I've got this board. It's just a memory board and it is a magnetic board, so you can put things and they stick on this side. I haven't been using this for a long time. I think I bought it for $5 at Silly Solis. But on the other side, it is this material and the actual pin fell off. So this is where it used to hang on the wall. It fell off. And so I thought this might be a better size because it's actually very big. Can you see? It's very big. I will actually pause this video here to tell you that I've already flipped this board over. This part that's brown is supposed to be at the back and the magnetic part which I showed you earlier is supposed to be at the front of the frame. I wasn't going to film this video, but I decided halfway to film this video so that you guys can see how to make a bigger version. And I actually bought these dowels. So these are timber dowels and the size is 6 times 32 millimeter timber dowels, and this packet has 100. So I bought this for $4. I think $4 in Bunnings. And then I'm going to use super glue because it worked last time. You can actually personalize your board. Next time, if I do get a chance, I'll personalize my board. And I mean, put my business name up the top. I love doing things freehand, so I do a lot of calligraphy. It's not professional calligraphy, my own calligraphy on top, but I'm not going to do that now. Maybe next time if my business grows. Let's just get into the video. Okay, to start off, I'm going to take my ruler and I'm just going to measure from this side to that side, and it's 49 centimeters. So I want there to be 5 rows, and so I think if I do 9, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I do 5 rows, that will be perfect. So let me just start from the top. I'm just going to pull this down and I might just leave 6 centimeters on this side. So if I do, let me start with the pen. So if I do 6 and then I do 9, what's that? Yep. And then I do 9. And then I do 9, and then I do 9. What do I have left? Perfect. So it's a bit over. I'm left with 7 at the end, but I think that's perfect. So I'm just gonna take my marker. I'm just activating it, and I'm just gonna go with the measurements that I have decided on. So we're gonna start on 6. Oops. And then we're gonna go 6. 15, 24, 33, and then 33 gonna be, and then we will have, yeah. So these are our measurements. And then going down this way, I want to have 4 rows. So measuring, it's about 39. So if I put 11, so 11, 21, 31, that's 8. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with that because I'm gonna have some small earrings as well. So I'm gonna go 11, 21, 31, and I'll do the same. 6, 15, 24, 33, 42, and then the last row, 6, 14, 24, 33, and 42. Okay. So now that we've got our markings, I'm going to put my ruler and my marker towards the side. I'm going to open these. These are timber dowels, and that's the size, 6 times 32 millimeters. So just open it. So it's been 1 hour and my dowels are now stuck. Now this one, because it doesn't have anything at the back to hold it, let me show you what I mean. My picture frame one has this thing, and I'm not sure if I take it off and put it on there whether this will be strong enough to hold that, because it just lays like this and it stays like that, and it's pretty perfect for this size. I mean, I'll still use this maybe for display in my house, but I can't carry 3 or 4 of this when I go to market. So this is going to replace 3 or 4 of this, because this is, it's actually the same size as 1, 2, 3. It's actually the same size as having 3 of these ones. So after looking for something to hold my stand up, I finally decided to buy an easel, and this one, it's pretty cheap. There's one for $6 and one for $11. I think I went for the one for $11 because it folds up, and you can just fold it and stow it away. So this is the one, and it's suitable for frames up to 61 centimeters, and mine was 49 centimeters, so it was perfect. And so this is how you set it up. It's pretty simple. And then I just took my stand and I placed it on top like this, and it was pretty perfect. This is what my stand looks like when I put the earrings. So you can see all my earrings fit, and I even have an extra row on the bottom. So it's pretty perfect and I love it. I love the natural look and I wouldn't change anything. How do you rate this out of 10? So I decided to add earrings on the bottom so I can see what it looks like when it's full. And it's actually pretty good. So for the first 3 rows, I left a gap of about 10 centimeters. And then the last row, I just left a gap of 8 centimeters because I was intending on putting my short earrings on the bottom, like the one that's centered, the one that's in the middle. Because I haven't yet made the shorter earrings or the small earrings, I just decided to fill it, and it was quite good actually because they hang over the border on the bottom, so it's perfect.